Good morning, children. In the previous video, we had learned already about present tense and the past tense, active passive voice. Today, we will discuss simple future tense. First, we'll see the assertive sentences: subject plus will shall plus verb first form plus object. She will do her work. She will go to the market, like this. But in the passive voice, as usual, objects comes first and shall will is there. Be, now we there will be be and verbs third form in the passive voice, conjunction by plus subject. It is the formation of the passive voice. Now negative sentence: subject plus shall will plus not plus verb first form plus object. Object come first, shall will not be plus verb third form plus conjunction plus subject. As like in the interrogative sentence, shall will plus subject plus verb first form plus object. Change into the passive voice: will shall plus object plus be plus verb third form plus by plus subject. Okay, the farmers will sow the seeds next week. So what? The seeds. The seeds will be third form sown by the farmers next week. The principal will not punish him. Him. He. Object is whom the principal will not punish? Him. He will not be punished by the principal. Who will do this work? Who will change into the by whom? By whom this work will be done. Everyone, as I told you before, everyone, someone, no one, no need to write in like an by plus subject. You can write also, but no need. Everyone will remember him. Whom remembered by everyone? He will be remembered. The students will examine the serious patients. The serious patient will be examined by the students. When will you finish your task? As the same when will come as the when into the passive voice also. When your task will be finished. It's a question mark here. I forgot. Put a question mark. Sorry. Here the question mark and again here. Okay. Will the new maid wash all the clothes? Will the new clothes? This is wrong. Okay. Here, when will your task? When will your task? Yes, say with me. When will your task be finished? As I told you, after WH word, there will be always a helping verb. When will your task be finished? When will your task be finished? Will the clothes be cleaned by the new maid? We shall never break the rules. The rules will be never broken by us. As I told you that future continuous will not change into the passive voice, so we'll proceed to the future perfect tense. In the assertive sentences, just write, pause the video, write the formation. This is the negative and this is interrogative and question mark. Interrogative and question mark. Okay, we'll see the sentences. She will have sold her necklace. Her necklace will have been. What will come? Have been. Will have been sold by her. They will have planted all the trees. All the trees will have been planted by them. The judge will have forgiven the innocent. The innocent will have been forgiven by judge. You will have cleared your account till then. Your account will have been cleared by you till then. Will you have written a letter by Monday? Will a letter have been written by you by Monday? Okay. Now imperative sentences. In imperative sentences, let is used in the starting of a sentence, but when the sentence begin with a please or kindly, we use the words you are requested. Look at these sentences. Open the door. It's an imperative sentences. So start with let. Let the door be opened. Let the door be opened. Respect your teacher. Let your teacher be respected. As the verb third form. How will it form? Verb third form is here. The sentence will start from the let. Now your teacher is the object. Let your teacher be is the verb respected. Kindly help him. You are requested to help him. As I told you, when a sentence start from the kindly, you can use you are requested. Do not beat dog. Let the dog not be beaten by you. Yeah, no need to write by you. Let the dog not be beaten. Okay. Tell him to do his work. Let him told. Let him be told that his work is to be done. Let us go out for a walk. It is suggested that we should go out for a walk. Let her play. It is proposed, it is requested, it is proposed that she should play. If the sentence will start from the let, you can see that if the sentence is start from the let, we will use should. You have to use should. And when it's a simple imperative sentence, you will start the sentence from the let. Let him send for a doctor. It is suggested that he should send for a doctor. He should send for a doctor. So these are some sentences, imperative sentences, and now some questions, interrogative sentence. What do you want? So how you will change these sentences? What do you want? As I told you, what remains, what in the passive voice also, what is wanted by you. Do and did and does will remove in the passive voice. So what is wanted by you. Okay. Whom did you laugh at? Who will change into by whom, and whom will change into who. Who was laughed at by you. Did your friend invited you? So did will remove obviously. So what will come? What are the helping verbs of the past? Was and were. Were your friend invited? Were your you invited by your friend? Were you invited by your friend? Will he give me a book? So again will a book be given to me by him? Will a book be given to me by him? Who killed the snake? By whom was the snake killed? Do the children play cricket? Again remove do from the sentence active voice and use is MR. Is cricket played by the children? Now, why did he punish you? Again, did you have to remove from the active voice or in the passive voice? Why were you punished by him? How did you do this sum? How was this sum done by you? Have you finished the work? So now the object is the work. So the work will has from the with the has will start the sentence. It's a singular. Has the work been finished by you? Can anybody cure me? Can I be cured by anybody? So write down all these sentences in your notebook and try to solve, trying to get your answers. Pause the video and then check your answers. And your book exercise we will do in the live class. This is up, the passive voice, it's an end. So watch this video very constantly and write down the notes in your notebook. Okay, thank you.